We would like to introduce you to the specialty Structural Design and Management in Civil Engineering. This specialty provides you with extended and comprehensive knowledge and skills in the planning and management of construction projects, construction technologies, and designing structures with the practical application of modern computer-aided design techniques. Dependent on the profile chosen within this specialty, you will have competence in designing complex building structures, or you will be prepared to act as a manager of implemented projects. After graduating, you will be able to apply for authorization to perform independent functions in construction without limitations. Let's check out the offer of your master diploma.
Hello, I'm David. With this short statement, I would like to introduce you to the Chair of Reinforced and Pre-Stressed Concrete Structures, abbreviated as L1. The L1 unit is created by highly qualified specialists focused on practical approach. The main topic of interest are reinforced and pre-stressed concrete structures, masonry, diagnostic, strengthening, and monitoring of existing structures. All our teachers combine scientific and research activities at a university with professional engineering practice. Due to their extensive experience during classes, they can provide students not only with theoretical background, but also with practical aspects of civil engineering, which is useful and important for students in their future career as structural designers, construction managers, or inspectors. Students prepare their master thesis within one diploma profile named Structural Design. This profile is composed of multiple courses dedicated to design problems of industrial structures such as tanks, silos, special foundations, precast elements, shell structures, as well as many others. Moreover, all students of specialty Structural Design and Management in Civil Engineering can choose multiple specializing courses that will reflect their interests in the best possible way. I am pleased to highlight that faculty teachers working at L1 are leading most of key courses there. The topic of every master thesis is unique. It can be determined based on the list of proposed topics prepared by individual teachers, or can be specified by the student himself. Most of the topics reflect the real engineering design's problems, but analytical studies as well as research programs are also possible to be conducted. Students graduating our specialty are the most desired specialists for work in structural design offices as designers, team leaders, BIM managers, but also in construction companies as site managers, supervision inspectors, and site engineers. This success is possible due to the wide spectrum of practical knowledge provided by our teachers during studies and the best preparation for work that students get during classes. After getting the required time or experience, our former students may apply professional unlimited license in all specialties, thanks to which they can provide independent technical functions in building engineering. The undisputed proof that structural design profile is offering students the best professional preparation is the highest pass rate for the license exam. At the end of my short statement, I would like to present you with two facts about structural design profile. First, it is always the most popular choice for students due to its versatility. After graduation, you can choose any professional in civil engineering that would be available. The employers tend to prefer our students above all the others because they are aware of our practical approach and not only theoretical basis of the knowledge that we present. Thank you for your time, and please remember, we are here for you, so choose wisely. Hope to see you soon.
Within the specialty, you have the opportunity to prepare your diploma at the Chair of Building Materials Engineering. In our chair, you will be introduced to the sustainable and green development of building materials, including concrete, ceramics, but also cement-free modern composites. We are developing a new generation of concretes and modern technologies to produce materials by recycling them, for example, from the demolition wastes. We focus on the development of new technologies for the material industry. One of the examples is the 3D printing of building materials. So if you wish, you can have your own influence of its development. Our students cooperate with the industry, not only the domestic, but also with the foreign units. We work closely with various universities, laboratories, and research units, and can support you to have an internship or a short stay related to your diploma. During the summer holiday, we welcome foreign students to our laboratories. So with them, you can carry out a joint experimental project and extend your international contacts. We carry out several national and international research projects. They are related to the development of cementless composites, fiber-reinforced soil cement, waste management in building material production, 3D printing and recycling of building materials. During your degree, you will be able to get involved in the part of the project and get a deep knowledge about the modern ways of designing and manufacturing building materials. We spend a lot of time with our students. We organize trips to construction sites and meetings with industry, as well as visits to research centers in Poland and abroad. Together with students, we create a student science club footprint. We developed the textile reinforced composite to be used as a material to produce the canoe. Each year, the team takes part in an international concrete canoe race. Your diploma may also be related to the development of the textile composite for such uncommon application.
Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tomasz Michałowski. I want to present you my chair. About this chair concern bridges, metals, and timber structure. So knowledge which concern on this category is very wide. We can present you a very wide specialistic knowledge, which concern first of all bridges. The bridges can be erected as structure on the concrete, reinforced concrete of course, composite structure, reinforced concrete and metal bridges, first of all steel bridges of course, but now we try to erect light foot bridges on the aluminum structure, and of course timber structure the same it could be. Metal structure. This on this step of study, that is information concern shell structure as chimney, silos, pipelines, tanks, long span structure when distances between support reach a few hundred meters even. Tension structure and high buildings and structure under various types of dynamic actions. First of all, supporting structure for various types of cranes. And last part of cathedral timber structure. On this part we have similar structure as on the metal structure, on the same long span structure on timber material. The same, it could be high structure, and of course metal structure and timber structure can concern various types of the bridges. Diploma thesis, which can be presented on my cathedral, concern first of all two specials. This means bridges when you can calculate multi-span bridges, beam bridges, arc bridges, cable stay, suspended bridges. Of course, problems which concerns exploitation of bridges, the same are very important for this part of the knowledge, because specific information are very important for such a very long period of time during exploitation. Metal structure and timber structure, this is the second specialization. The global name is metal structure, and on this specialization you can make diploma thesis which concern metal structure, bar structure, tension structure, shell structure, and various types of the timber structure. First of all, various types of the long span structure.
Okay, hi everybody. My name is Tomasz Kisilewicz. Today I have a pleasure to represent Chair of Civil Engineering and Building Physics, and I would like right now to present our offer for the second course of the studies. So within this second course we are offering the subject that is called Principles of Low Energy Building Design. The main issues of this subject are trying to answer how to maximize gains and how to minimize heat losses from low energy buildings. We are also presenting low energy building standards. One of them, the most known, is passive standard. We are also talking how to arrange passive solar gains and how to provide building with modern installations and equipment. Our chair is also offering diploma profile that is called Building Diagnostics and Revitalization. It consists of three main subjects, offering lectures and projects each. One of them, Building Design and Diagnostics, is conducted by Łukasz Łukaszewski, and it covers the issues connected with exploitation, preservation and maintenance of existing buildings. Very practical subject for engineers. The second one is Functional Design of Modern Buildings, delivered by Andrzej Kłosak, and in fact it covers architectural design of your diploma building, so very useful for our students. And the final one, Computer-Aided Design of Low Energy Building, is delivered by me, and within the subject we are talking about the ways of simulation and how to conduct numerical calculations of the building components, building systems, with the special attention to the glazed parts of the outer shell. Thank you for your attention.
Hello, my name is Michał Kołaczkowski. I'm a member of the team of the Department of Civil Engineering and Building Physics, presented by Professor Tomasz Kisilewicz. I conduct lectures and project classes in the subject Selected Industrial Structures. On these classes, students learn about designing of special industrial structures subjected to dynamic loads. The focus of the course is primarily on the practical approach to those issues. On the course, we discuss designing structures according to current standards. We explore topics like modeling of different types of structures, modeling the soil under foundation, calculating forces from the machines, selecting appropriate vibration isolation. I'm sure that the knowledge that you gain in the classes makes you stand out among other civil engineers. I also encourage you to write theses in our department in the field of structural design, not only industrial structures, but also residential buildings, hotels, and other structures.